I need more money. Keep quiet, Bibo. Shh, come on, Bibo, let's go.
Oh no, that is so loud. Mom will hear us.
Did you hear that noise in the backyard, Sarah? Pedal fast, Toby! We have no time to lose!
My ballet shoes are completely broken. The show is today.
Where is Toby's new video game console? It is gone. His piggy bank is broken too. He took all the money.
Toby ran away in the storm. We must find him right now.
Why did Toby take his game and run away, Mommy?
The wind is blowing so hard. Hold on tightly, Bibo. I cannot see the road with your big ears, silly dog. Watch out for that broken tree branch.
Ouch. My knee hurts, but the box is safe.
It is 5:45. Mr. Smith will close the shop soon.
Mr. Smith, please wait. Please do not close yet.
I want to trade my favorite game console and all my money.
I need those pink ballet shoes in the glass box, please.
This rare console is great, but you are still short $10, boy.
$10 short? But Zoe's big stage show is in 30 minutes! This watch is my birthday gift from Dad. It is worth $20.
You are a truly brave brother. Take these beautiful shoes, son.
Thank you so much. I can save my sister's dream now.
Let's run, Bibo. The Grand Theater is 6 blocks away.
Keep moving. Zoe is waiting for her magic shoes.
David, drive faster. I am so worried about our little boy in this storm.
I don't need the show anymore. I just want Toby to come home safely.
Good boy, Bibo. That is Zoe's dance poster. The theater is close.
I can see the bright lights. We are almost there.
Watch out! The big wave is coming straight at us. I will protect this gift with my whole body.
The ribbon is dry. The shoes are completely safe. Yay! Good job, brave doggy. Let's find our Princess Zoe.
David, stop the car. Toby is right there. Toby, why are you soaking wet and running away like this? You broke your piggy bank and took your expensive game to run away.
You forgot my big ballet show today, Toby. You only care about games. I never forgot your special day, my sweet little sister. Open it, Zoe. This is a magic secret just for you. Gasp! The pink glitter ballet shoes from the shop window?
Oh, my sweet boy. You traded your birthday watch and your game for this?
You gave up everything you loved just to make your sister smile.
I am so sorry, Toby. You are the best brother in the whole wide world.
Put on your magic shoes, Zoe. Go and shine on that big stage. I am dancing with all my heart and my brother's big love.
Look at our little ballerina. She is flying like an angel.
Thank you for loving me, big brother Toby. Family love and sacrifice make the world the happiest place. Bye-bye.